In this video we will discuss that how you can change your home screen on your PS5. So if you're confused with home screen and cover image, so what you can do is that you cannot change this home screen, but if you are saying that you want to change your cover image as your home screen, you have to go on your profile, then go on your profile here, and here if you want to change this background image, you will need to go to this pencil icon, and then from here go to cover image, and from here if you already have a cover image you will see the remove image and change image option. But if you don't have already image, you will see here the select image option, this one. So go on select image, press X, and from here you will see all of the images that are available on your PS5. From here select image to select, press X on it, and then go on select and press X, and from here you can zoom it in or out, you can rotate it, you can change its position, and then after that go on save and press X and wait for a few seconds, and then go on done and press X. And now here we can see that we have changed our cover image. So you cannot change your home screen, but you can change your cover image. So hope this answered your question. Thanks for watching.